Howdy, y'all. Today I will be discussing some skills that I've been taught during my internship at Baylor College of Dentistry. So the first lab we did was create a dental stone. They gave us a set of teeth and we made an impression of those teeth and created this model. I got 5 points off because if you look closely, you can see like bumps in the teeth. And that's because while I was stirring, I let air bubbles in the mixture, so when it dried, it's still in the model. So the next slide we did was restoring a chip tooth. They gave us 2 teeth, number 5 and number 8, and we needed to add wax to make it look like the original side. So the challenging part about this lab is that the wax has to be bulkier than the original side because the teeth need to make contact. Contact is where the 2 teeth touch. So yeah. Something I did learn in my internship is that dentistry requires a lot of precision and patience. My instructor told me that in dental school, students are given a task that they need to complete by a certain time. And if they weren't precise enough or if they weren't patient, it could cause them to have to start over or go back and fix mistakes that they could have avoided. So our last lab, we made an amalgam. An amalgam is just this amalgam is a mixture of mercury and silver. So we used the amalgam to fill up a cavity. So this is what it looks like. We took a drill and we went 1.5 millimeters deep into the tooth, and we had to carve into a dovetail. This lab was very challenging because they wanted it to be in this exact shape, and they wanted it to be exactly 1.5 millimeters deep. Like, once again, precision, it's all about that. And so this was my first try, and they just had to give me another tooth because like I went way too deep and it is not supposed to look like that. Another thing about dentists is that they have so much terminology to know. Like, they need to know what each tooth is called, where it goes, what number it is, the classification of cavities, the different tools and what they're called and when to use them, and so much more. And now I see why dental school is very challenging and hard to get into, because it takes a lot of discipline, and you have to be willing to put in all that work to study and know all of that stuff. So yeah, those were the few labs I've done during my internship.